Here's how to fix screen goes black randomly on Windows 11 PC. Before we begin, check the cables connected to your monitor and make sure they're securely plugged in. You can also try replacing the cable to rule out a faulty connection. If the cables aren't the problem, head over to the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This will scan your Windows system files for any damaged or missing files. Leave the scan running while we move on to the next step. Now, search for Change Screensaver from the Start menu and open it. In the Screensaver drop-down menu, make sure it's set to None. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Next, open the Control Panel and change the View by option to Large Icons. After that, select Power Options. Here, choose the High Performance Power Plan, and then click Change Plan Settings. Let's make sure the all available power settings are set to Never. After that, select Change Advanced Power Settings. In this window, expand PCI Express. Then open Link State Power Management. Make sure both available options are set to Off. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Close this window. Now, open Device Manager from the Start menu. Expand Display Adapters. Locate your graphics card, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for the latest driver. If you have multiple graphics cards, repeat the same process for each one. Next, expand the Monitors section and update your monitor driver using the same process. Right-click the monitor, select Update Driver, and choose Search automatically for drivers. Once that's done, open Settings from your Start menu. Here, select System, and then go to Display. Scroll down and open Advanced Display. Under Choose a Refresh Rate, select the highest refresh rate available for your monitor. Finally, go to Windows Update at the bottom and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates to make sure your system is fully up to date. Once the SFC scan has finished, check the results to see whether Windows found and repaired any problems. After completing all these steps, restart your computer and check whether the black screen issue has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.